Enjoy.
And you. Sunday morning. The staircase is beautiful sanded and a little bit washed. So today we're gonna paint the entrance hall. And later maybe put some oil on the staircase. How is it on the floor? Feels good?
Yeah.
Oh, the dog is coming inside.
The wood's quite soft and there's a lot of splintery bits. If you get your fingers too close, you know about it.
Yeah, no, we have to be careful if he...
Yeah, I think once it's been done again, Dyson probably.
Okay, see you later. Hello, beautiful people.
Hello.
Sunday afternoon. Painting for me today. What for you?
Been doing the floor in the top bedroom.
And?
That's all. It's had 2 coats and a rub. And that's what I need now. My shoulder is really hurting. And I cannot even grip anything with my hand now.
No, yesterday was a lot of sanding, all day sanding and cleaning, and so today painting the staircase. It looks really good already.
Yeah, it does.
And now I'm really happy with the staircase, with the white wall. It will look amazing when it's oiled.
It looks bigger already, and just all the clean lines, it looks really good.
But I think I have to paint all the things upstairs again. Oh, Andrew, now I see also where the smoke is coming out.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
And here, wow.
Put some silicone
You
in.
cannot really see it here, but it's all smoke.
Yeah.
But wow.
Yeah.
Then it's maybe also upstairs in the room, or?
It could be. In the attic, yeah.
Oh God. Okay.
So, so plan now, you're going to do a bit more painting, yeah?
Not a bit more, a ton more. You have
Yeah.
to finish.
And then have to do some cleaning then when you're done.
Yeah, but also in between you can do something.
I'm going to do the video now.
Yeah. Okay, doc. Then enjoy this episode. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Don't touch the ceiling.
Can't really tape it here because I've put silicone on.
Yeah, I don't think we need to paint here because it will be smoky all the time.
Yeah, it will, but it'll fade all into one, whereas this is like lines that have appeared where it came through the ceiling.
Okay.